morning everyone, this is Dee with danddgardening and welcome to our channel. Today is Friday, hey, July 25th and it is 10:25 a.m. As you can see, Mr. Sun is out in all of his glory and it's hot. So all I'm going to do today is do my morning walkthrough and that's it. Because it's too hot to do anything else. So I'm going to put you on my head, and of course I wouldn't be me without my broom. And as I'm walking through with the broom getting rid of spider webs, we're going to check to see how everybody out here is doing. So come along with me. Okay, we are doing the walkthrough. This little watermelon, this is another sugar baby watermelon, and he's doing fantastically. Now, if I can get him to just keep his little behind in this bed, I know he not, because he likes to spread out, but just keep doing your little thing. Let me put you back over here. Uh-oh, I think that's a little watermelon, isn't it? Yep, y'all just stay on in there. He still needs to go. I think I'm gonna have to start coming out here at night when it's cooler. It's not like anything can get me because I'll be inside the fence. Ooh, yeah, I can see all kinds of spider webs out here. They're everywhere. Potatoes are beginning to die back. So those will be ready to be harvested soon. I don't see any peeking up from the top, so I don't know if that's good or bad. Kind of wish that I would see some poking up from the top. That would give me an idea of that being full of potatoes. Sweet potatoes still living their best life. But the leaves are beginning to look a little shabby, so they may be almost ready to be harvested. The squash over here has gotten, good Lord, they keep becoming conjoined because they are being stuck in between here. So I'm going to have to harvest that. Grapevine, oops, still doing something. It's growing, but it's not giving me any grapes yet. But it is a new grapevine, so I'm really and truly not expecting to get any grapes this early. I know. I thought I saw something, but I didn't. I know that some people are getting grapes already on theirs, but I think mine is a different, I don't even know what kind of grapevine that is, but it's not a Concord, which is what I wanted. Zucchini, not doing so well. Matter of fact, I would call it, I think he done passed on. Yeah, I think he gone. And I wanted him to live more than I wanted the squash, because we still have squash in our freezer, a lot of it. Oh well. This little sugar baby watermelon, he's gotten bigger from the last time that I saw him. Alright, get back in the bed. And I don't see another one over here. Or do I? Nope, those are leaves. Take the dead leaf off. I don't want anything hindering him from producing more. These peppers are finally starting to die back, and I see peppers over here that are in its last stages, I guess. What's on you and why are you on the ground? I may have to do a final harvest and then start pulling these up. Loofah still escaping because he's already over the fence again. But I don't see any loofah gourds yet. But he's just still living his best life. Peppers are still living theirs for as much as they can. Blackberry vine still spreading out, but ain't giving me nothing. And I really don't expect it to. We still haven't gotten over here to clear out these dead ones here. But we did pull out, oh, there he is. He was waiting on space. There's Mr. Zigzag, right there. Well, there's one of them, because there's another one back here. But there he is. He needed more space. I've been there and I thought I got rid of you. But nope, there you are. I'll have to tell my husband I found him. Ugh, I hate them. I hate them. So, these peppers are doing well. I'm going to have to do a hard harvest on my grandfather's sweet peppers and start getting ready to pull those. But everybody seems to be doing well. The Hungarian yellow wax peppers, they're still doing good. Oh, dang it. They are brittle though. I'm gonna have to take this with me or they're gonna die. Seeing how I broke it. So yeah, I need to come out and do one more hard harvest, and then that might be the end. And I say might because I still see pepper buds. Ow. I mean, look, I don't know if you can see, but see, there's a pepper bud. There are pepper buds right there. I mean, they're still producing. And I need to start getting this cleared so I can start planning. Well, I can still plan my fall garden, but I'm going to start planting the seeds very soon. But I'm going to plant them inside, not outside the garden, not outside yet. I like starting my seeds indoors and not out. Okay, spider web got on me. Go up. Look, now. I don't want to be out here fighting. I don't have backup. Alright, white acre pea. I should have got them on the other side. I am going to let this okra plant go to seed because, a sneeze is coming. Ooh, excuse me, y'all. I'm gonna let this okra plant go to seed because the other one got swallowed up by the cucumber melon. So this okra plant is, I'm just gonna let it go. And I see 3 okras on here now. I mean, here's one ginormous one. Here's one. And then there's one right there. And I probably, oh, there's 4. There's one right there. So I may take 2 off and leave 2. I think that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to go around this way. I was going to, you know what? No, I'm going to leave those on there because I'm not harvesting today. I'm just checking on everybody. I know Roselle is doing well over there in that corner. This is more, these plants right here, all of that's okra. So I'll still have okra coming in. When it gets cooler outside, I'm going to fertilize and give everybody some much needed nutrition. I'm trying to think of, that Brussels sprout is looking like he's really struggling. That one seems to be doing okay. These are black-eyed peas. The corn is hot. It is burning up. I know it's hot, y'all. I know it is. I am so sorry. But I have nothing to do with Mother Nature. I wonder if I got the hose and just hosed y'all down real good. The irrigation comes on every night. Maybe I should do it twice a night or twice a day. Y'all see this spider web blowing in the wind, and there's his owner right there. These cabbages, they gone. They just taking up real estate right now. So those will go. Nothing has come up from those potatoes that I planted. So those were a bust. These are the new potatoes that I had. And I say new potatoes, those were the ones that I had planted a long time ago. And they came up, and then I had gotten potatoes from those. Well, I saved some for seed potatoes, and I planted those here. And I couldn't remember the name of the potatoes, so that's why I call them new potatoes. And they were, you know, some fairly small potatoes. And that's what those are. So I'm allowing these to finish dying back, so I can harvest those. And that pretty much is the garden as it stands right now. So let me, ooh, and my GoPro is hot. So it's not going to be long before it turns off on me. Trying to get y'all so y'all can see the garden. So yep, that is it. So this is a short video just on what's going on and what I usually do during my morning walkthrough. I just try to see where everybody is, assess what's going on, what I need to do, who needs more attention. My little shishito over there is still living his best life. He's enjoying the heat just like the other peppers are. And that's pretty much it. So I can put my broom down now. Uh-oh. Now I gotta fix my camera. Oh, y'all. Good Lord. I hope I didn't put y'all in the sun, because I think I did. But that is going to do it for today's video. Thank you for joining me. If this is your first time or your fifth time watching one of our videos or visiting our channel, hit that subscribe button. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified the next time we upload a video. And always remember, grow your own, eat your own. And until I see you the next time, take care. Bye.